Hello, I am Vilya DN6. Today, I will demonstrate how to connect the digital lighting processing or DLP projector to laptop. Let me give you a little overview first about DLP. DLP stands for Digital Lighting Processing, a technology that uses micromirrors to project images from a monitor onto a large screen. DLP is seen in standalone projection units, in rare projection TVs, and a majority of digital cinema projection. Now, let's go to the main parts of the DLP projector. We have here the control panel, zoom lever, zoom lens, lens protector, elevator button, elevator foot, self-adjusting control, infrared receiver, connection ports, and power socket. Here are the steps in connecting the DLP projector to laptop. But before that, remember to have read the manual or user's guide and place the DLP projector on a flat surface. Step 1. Connect the HDMI cable from laptop to DLP projector. Step 2. Connect the power cable to power socket. Step 3. Once the cable is connected, plug the power cable to power the source. Step 4. Open the lens protection and turn on the lamp by pressing the power button on the control panel. Step 5. Turn on the laptop. The projector will detect your source automatically. Step 6. Shows the file to present. Step 7. Now the presentation is done. Press the power button to turn off the projector lamp. You will see a message. Press power button again to complete the shutdown process. Warning: do not unplug while the projector fan is still running. Step 8. Disconnect the power cable from the electrical outlet and the projector, including the HDMI power cable. Before placing the projector back to its casing bag, make sure that it cools down first to avoid overheating. That ends our demonstration. I hope you get the step-by-step instruction on how to install DLP projector to your laptop. God bless, until my next video.